hot hatch enthusiasts will reportedly have to wait until 2019 to get their hands on the new Kia Ceed GT, which will share its underpinnings with the Hyundai i30N. According to Autocar, it is being developed by Albert Biermann, the man behind the i30N, along with his team, and a great part of its development will be on the Nurburgring. However, Hyundai Motor Group will make sure that the two cars won't cannibalize each other. As a result, Kia's hot hatch will be less powerful than the Hyundai i30N and will reportedly use a detuned version of the 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder powering its Hyundai counterpart. In the i30N, it is offered with two outputs, with 250 PS, 246 horsepower, and 275 PS, 271 horsepower, and 353 Newton-meters, 260 pounds-to-feet, of torque in both cases. In the more powerful version, the Korean hot hatch needs 6.1 seconds to go from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, and maxes out at 250 km per hour, 155 miles per hour. Kia's new Ceed GT, on the other hand, should be offered with around 200 horsepower, which will make it a more affordable, and slightly less powerful, alternative to cars such as the Volkswagen Golf GTI. That might sound a bit far-fetched, but the British publication suggests the Ceed GT might not use the i30N's powertrain, with Kia opting for a 48V mild hybrid powertrain with some 200 horsepower instead. Whatever the Korean automaker decides, the range-topping version of the new-gen compact hatchback will arrive with chassis tweaks, a more aggressive-looking exterior and some sporty trim in the cabin. The 5-door hatchback might not be the only body style of the Ceed to get a GT version, as the Shooting Brake, which is expected to debut in a few months, could follow it.